not. Give it a shot. Couple pictures. Get in.
Nathan, why are we in IKEA?
Getting a bed.
We've entered the plant section. Nathan, why are we in IKEA?
Getting a bed.
How do we feel about this?
My home. Home sweet.
Wait, which one's your?
Do tell us, how has your IKEA experience been so far?
Johnstown.
What's your favorite thing about IKEA?
Not being a Johnstown.
I don't know why we need 3 dollies.
Can you read this number?
What are you looking for?
Aisle 1664. 1664. Oh, what do you say?
1664.
1650 something.
Say-
Oh, that's so heavy. Oh.
Yes, we successfully completed IKEA missions.
I got ice cream.
Got a bed.
Carrie's gone.
We don't. Can't squeeze it in.
Just keep this box for the next road trip.
My favorite store.
Easy broski.
Thank you for your lingonberries.
I got it.